wherever you come from. It's the public energy provider in the city of Zurich. And Dennis is giving you an introduction on EWZ. His background is in business innovation and entrepreneurship, and he has been advising a number of energy companies, and now he's with the Zurich energy provider. So please, Dennis, could you please give us an introduction?
All right. Thank you so much. Maybe we can hook up the slides. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dennis Bayer. I'm with EWZ, and together with my colleagues, I'm delighted to be here to partake in this event. I think I have the closing slot of today, so to make the full usage of the 20-minute slot I have. So I will try to hurry.
I don't even. You don't have an HDMI, right?
It's
in the back.
Yeah.
Sorry.
First of all, I want to extend my gratitude to everybody that is involved in making this BIOS 2018 happening. I think it's really, really great and rare initiative. And thanks to you guys for participating and creating this event. I think it's really, really great. Maybe 2 sentences about myself. I think I started coding when I was like 14, 15. I had a web page business company when I was 16, selling web pages back at home. But later on, I switched to the business side. And now I'm, as you might want to say, I'm with the old economy with EWZ. For me, maybe just a quick goal for today is that you just get an understanding what we are doing, why we are participating in the BIOS 2018, and maybe get some of you excited for our challenges tomorrow. So I just put together a short presentation. So what is EWZ? We are an energy and communication provider with a broad customer base in Zurich. A broad customer base, what does it mean? Basically, everybody living in Zurich is our customer. So that's a nice thing when you're operating in the monopolistic environment. So everybody, they our turf, so they're our customers. As you can see there, we have like 800 million Swiss francs turnover. We are also the owner of the optical fiber network in Zurich. So I think end of next year, everyone in Zurich will have super high-speed internet access. And we have like 225,000 customers. 200,000 customers are like you and me in the city of Zurich. And like 24,000 are larger companies. And we make our turnover, 2/3 of our turnover is with the larger companies which are operating we are operating in the free market. We have like 1,200 employees. And I want to stress the last point, we heard it today quite often. Sustainability is at the heart of EWZ. So everything we do, we try to focus on like being sustainable, doing sustainable business. And the good thing is if you have this aim and you're operating in a monopole, that you can just like force everybody to consume renewable energy, as we did, I think, 2014. So I think there's some ups and downs there. Okay, just to give you an overview, basically what EWZ is doing, the whole energy supply chain we're operating there. And we're doing so for 125 years already. What is quite new to us is like new grid services, energy services, telecom business is quite new, and we really stress innovative business models, ideas. Everybody in the company and of our encouraged to come up with new business models and new products and services for our customers. Because we have to reshape our traditional business model. So not only digitalization, but also new means of producing renewable energy are coming to the market, and we don't want to block those forces or new technologies. We rather want to embrace them. And that's basically also why we are here, because we want to build stuff that is useful for our customers. Those are just some focus areas of our innovation initiatives. In some areas we are quite all right, I think, but there are other areas we are drastically lacking and need support with partners. And yeah, whether it's startups or you guys, but we rely on support there. Okay, innovation and sustainability is at the heart of EWZ. What does it mean? Do we have some examples? This is the substation Oerlikon in Zurich. What's innovative about it is they're using there for the switches FS6 gas that is used first time worldwide in this substation, and it basically means that we are using an environmentally friendly gas there instead of malicious gas. So that's, I think we opened it last year. Okay, another thing that's more to our core as well, the Lettenstrom. It's basically a product, a tariff where you can get renewable energy just from one specific, basically energy water station in the heart of Zurich. What else? We are also investing in renewable energy sources outside of Switzerland. This is just one example of the Atlantic Wind Park, where we have a 51% stake in the whole wind park. And our major customer through a PPA, a power purchase agreement, is Google, and they are using the energy produced by the wind park for their data center in Finland. All right. Another one example where we are operating is the Green City area in Zurich. Not only do we provide renewable electricity, but also contracting solutions and like heating, cooling for, I think it's 1,500 to 2,000 flats, apartments, and there are up to 3,000 workstations, work areas. People can move in there. Yeah. Okay. We are also active and working together with on this smart city strategy, but we don't just want to contribute to the strategy, we want to contribute with real use cases, whether it's the implementation of the LoRa network in the city in this year, or like use cases together with partners like VBZ, where we want to establish a new kind of tram stop in the city. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, we rely heavily on working together with partners, whether it's startups. We're actually conducting a prototype with the French blockchain startup at the moment, but we're also working together with other partners. Maybe one example there is, as part of the city of Zurich, we had this another substation. It's called Zellnau, and basically it was a huge space. We didn't know what to do with it, and we wanted it to be like something collaborative where smart people can get together and come up with innovative projects, innovative ideas. We just don't want to have it just another co-working space, but really a place where people engage. So we got together with partners, and actually since last October, this space transformed from just an empty hall to the new Kraftwerk. You're very much invited to go check it out. And I think it's what the Impact Hub, Migo, and the other partners did there. It was a 2-year process, but it's really, I think it's really impressive what came out of it. So that's just another aspect of where we try to. Okay, we also encourage all our employees to take risks, to try new things, to realize opportunities. Maybe not those kind of risks, but and yeah, just to embrace challenges and work together for the best of it. And that's one of the reasons also why we are here. We are super excited to be an industry partner at the BIOS 2018. And we actually hope that we might get you interested for some of our, or one of our challenge that we're going to present tomorrow. All right. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Dennis. So as you're gonna present your challenges tomorrow, that you can ask your questions there. Dennis did not come alone. He brought some of his colleagues, Anina Fez and Geneviève Boubel. Also, they're gonna be here tomorrow, so you can ask a number of questions. Let me give you a very quick outlook on tomorrow's